Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a nicely equipped 2014 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number B97108. 70,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Bright silver metallic in color. This Ram seats 5. Cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space with flat load floor with even more storage underneath. Power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Ram is very unique. It's the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate. Backup camera along with parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Hinges. We have driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Lots of storage space. And the armrest. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8. 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.